In today's world, many people in Kenya are looking for ways to earn money even when they are not actively working. The idea of making money while sleeping sounds like a dream, but it is real and possible. It simply means building income sources that continue to bring in money after the initial effort has been made. This kind of income is often called passive income. It is different from active income, where you must work daily to earn money. With passive income, you create something once, and it keeps paying you again and again over time. In Kenya, the cost of living has been rising steadily over the years. Food, rent, transport, and school fees all require money. Because of this, many people are searching for smarter ways to earn income that does not depend only on daily work. Passive income can help reduce financial stress and give people more freedom. However, it is important to understand that making money while sleeping is not magic. It takes time, effort, discipline, and sometimes capital to build systems that generate income automatically. Let us start by understanding how passive income works. Imagine planting a mango tree. At the beginning, you must prepare the land, plant the seed, water it, and take care of it. This is hard work and requires patience. But after some years, the tree begins to produce fruits. At that point, you can harvest mangoes every season without planting again. Passive income works in a similar way. You put in effort at the beginning, and later you enjoy the results. One of the most popular ways to make money while sleeping in Kenya is through investing. Investing means putting your money into something that can grow or generate returns over time. One simple example is a money market fund. In Kenya, many financial institutions offer money market funds that allow people to invest small amounts of money. You can start with as little as 1,000 Kenya shillings. The money is then invested in low-risk financial instruments, and you earn interest. Over time, this interest grows, and you can withdraw your earnings. The good thing about money market funds is that they are relatively safe and easy to access. Another strong option is investing in government bonds. When you buy a government bond, you are lending money to the government. In return, the government pays you interest over a fixed period. Some bonds in Kenya offer attractive returns, and certain types are tax-free. For example, if you invest 50,000 Kenya shillings in a bond with a good interest rate, you can receive regular payments twice a year. This means that even when you are asleep, your money is working for you. Stocks are also a powerful way to build passive income. When you buy shares in a company, you become a part owner of that company. Some companies pay dividends, which are profits shared with shareholders. If you invest wisely in stable companies, you can earn dividends every year. Over time, these dividends can grow and become a steady source of income. However, investing in stocks requires some knowledge and patience. Prices can go up and down, so it is important to think long-term. Real estate is another well-known method of earning passive income in Kenya. Many people invest in rental houses, apartments, or bedsitters. Once you have tenants, they pay rent every month. This creates a steady stream of income. For example, if you own a bedsitter that earns 8,000 Kenya shillings per month, that money continues to come in whether you are working or resting. However, real estate requires a large initial investment. It also involves responsibilities like maintenance and tenant management. Some people hire property managers to handle these tasks, making the income more passive. In recent years, the internet has opened many new opportunities for earning money while sleeping. One of these is blogging. A blog is a website where you write articles about topics that interest you or that people are searching for. In Kenya, blogs about business ideas, farming, technology, and finance are very popular. When your blog gets visitors, you can earn money through advertisements, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. The best part is that once your articles are published, they can continue to attract readers for months or even years. This means you can keep earning from the same content over time. Another powerful online method is creating a YouTube channel. Video content is growing very fast, and many Kenyans are now watching videos daily. If you create useful or entertaining videos, you can earn money from advertisements shown on your videos. You can also earn from sponsorships and product promotions. The key is to create content that people want to watch. Once your videos are online, they can continue to generate views and income, even when you are not actively working. Selling digital products is also a smart way to earn passive income. Digital products include ebooks, online courses, templates, and guides. For example, if you write an ebook about how to start a small business in Kenya and sell it for 500 Kenya shillings, you can sell it many times without creating it again. If 100 people buy your ebook, you earn 50,000 Kenya shillings. This kind of income can grow over time as more people discover your product. Affiliate marketing is another method that works well online. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your link. For example, you can promote online courses, software, or physical products. When someone buys using your link, you get paid. The advantage of affiliate marketing is that you do not need to create your own product. You simply connect buyers with sellers and earn a share of the profit. Dropshipping is also becoming popular in Kenya. This is a type of online business where you sell products without keeping stock. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Your role is to market the product and manage the online store. Once the system is set up, it can run with minimal effort, allowing you to earn money even while sleeping. It is also possible to turn active income into passive income. For example, many people start by offering freelance services such as writing, graphic design, or social media management. As they gain clients and experience, they can hire other people to do the work. This allows them to earn from the business without doing all the work themselves. Over time, this can become a passive income system. Despite all these opportunities, many people make mistakes when trying to build passive income. One common mistake is expecting quick results. Passive income takes time to grow. Another mistake is falling for scams that promise instant money. In Kenya, there are many fake schemes that claim you can earn large amounts of money quickly. It is important to be careful and do proper research before investing your time or money. Consistency is very important when building passive income. Whether you are investing, blogging, or creating videos, you must stay committed. Small efforts done consistently can lead to big results over time. For example, writing one blog post every week may seem small, but after 1 year, you will have more than 50 articles. These articles can continue to bring traffic and income for a long time. It is also important to reinvest your earnings. Instead of spending all the money you earn, you can use part of it to grow your income sources. For example, you can invest your profits in stocks, bonds, or your online business. This helps your income grow faster and creates more stability. In Kenya, technology has made it easier than ever to build passive income. Mobile money services allow people to receive payments easily. Online platforms make it possible to reach customers from all over the world. With the right mindset and strategy, anyone can start building income streams that work even when they are asleep. The journey to making money while sleeping is not always easy, but it is worth it. It gives you freedom, reduces financial stress, and allows you to focus on what matters most in life. Whether you choose investing, online business, or real estate, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. In the end, making money while sleeping in Kenya is about building systems that work for you. It is about using your time, skills, and resources wisely. It is about thinking long-term and making smart decisions. If you take the first step today, you can create a future where your money works for you, even when you are resting. The most important thing is to start. Even if you begin with a small amount like 1,000 Kenya shillings or a simple idea, you can grow it over time. Every successful passive income earner started somewhere. With patience and effort, you too can reach a point where you earn money while you sleep.